how do you stand out from others in your industry? Great digital experiences have the power to move business forward. Today I have with me Krista Rime, founder and CEO of Cruitx. Krista, welcome. Can you share a little bit about your background and experience?
Yes, thanks for having me today. I've been in tech for over 14 years in product and engineering and marketing at companies like PayPal, Best Buy, Expedia, and more. Throughout my journey, I realized there was a lack of diversity in tech, and so now I transitioned over to being a recruiter to get more diversity into tech, so I connect diverse tech talent with inclusive startups.
That is fantastic. So we met Krista through iFOLIO, which is awesome. Our platform, our goal is to help users connect, engage, and convert in a digital world. So Krista, I know you're a power user. Can you share with me, when do you use a portfolio versus a PDF?
Yes, I use a lot of iFolios to tell my story, and I like to put a framework around my story. And so I use iFolio to tell the story, but when I go into more detail, then I'll use a SlideShare or a PDF.
I've seen some of your iFolios, and you can embed PDFs, but you have something more visual, right, on the up at the top, which is fantastic. What about a website, when you use a website versus a portfolio?
Yes, so my website speaks to my broad audience where they can come and get general information about my services. But then I use iFolio to speak one-to-one to the people that I'm prospecting, both my clients and my candidates. And so the iFolio allows me to have that personalization that I don't have on my website.
I love it. All right, I know everybody here wants to hear the bonus question. What's your favorite feature, and what is a fun fact about Krista?
Yeah, I have a couple favorite features. So one of my favorite features is the embedding option, where I can embed different digital asset types, like from Canva or even a playlist from Spotify. And then the other really powerful feature is the analytics, which tells me how I'm resonating with my users and what I should update or change or keep. A fun fact about me is I'm adopted. I was placed for adoption with a couple in Minnesota, a white couple in rural Minnesota. So I grew up hunting, fishing, mudding on four-wheelers, even ice fishing because it's very cold. And so that surprises a lot of people that I grew up in a rural area and I'm an avid outdoors person.
And where are you now?
I am now located in sunny San Jose, California. So the complete opposite environment of where I grew up.
Well, from Atlanta to California, thank you for joining us today. This has been so awesome. And we will see you again soon.
Thank you for having me.